Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to be going over the To-Sphere tool. So make sure you still have your hammer selected and that you're in edit mode. Let's go ahead and navigate to the front of our hammer here. So just select these three planes and then let's inset it. So just hit I, and we're going to inset it right here. And if we click on the To-Sphere tool and click and drag, it kind of works, but it's not very spherical because we need to add more geometry. So just undo that, go to Edge and subdivide these. We'll just do subdivide, and that looks pretty good. We could even maybe do one more, so subdivide of 2. And now that we still have these selected, just hit X and we're going to delete the faces. And then what we can do is highlight the edges, so go to Edge mode, and then just double click on all the new lines, hold Shift, double click, or Shift Alt click, and just do loop selects around these new edges that you just made. Make sure you don't grab any of the ones in the background there. So just these right here. Now if we use the To-Sphere and click and drag, looky there, we've got a really cool sphere that's kind of emerging. And then we can just hit F to flatten it out. And there we go. So now we've got kind of like a little round part of our hammer. And that is how you use the To-Sphere. So you can do that on pretty much anything. As long as there's enough geometry or enough edges, you can morph it into a sphere. So let's go ahead and jump into the next lesson where we're going to talk about the Rip Region tool.